Now that we've explored the MSLE program page on Learn, let's go to the MSLE portal. From the Sign Up and Access Instructions page, go to Step 3. Access the educator resources and click on the link. Alternatively, you can access the MSLE portal by typing in aka.ms/MSLE portal. So let's explore the Microsoft Learn for Educators portal. Now that I'm in the portal, let's go over to the left-hand navigation panel. From here, I can review my profile. I can enter a course that I will be teaching. I can also review the courses that I have taught. I can request an exam voucher or practice test key. I can also check out the training events available to me and link out to the Learning Download Center, where I can explore the Microsoft curriculum and teaching materials. We will go into each of these in greater detail.